Stratonovich integral. Okay, so recall, we define this integral before before nagkaroon sa ito integral. We define I of t as the sum of f of ti w of ti plus 1 minus w of ti. Okay? And when the limit goes to infinity, actually, ano man siya, no? Limit, limit, ane? This is n equals 1 to n minus 1. Okay? Taking the limit as n approaches infinity, this now became the E2 integral from 0 to t of f of t dw t. This is the E2 integral. But then, the difference in the E2 integral case and the Stratonovich integral is that this is defined on this. So, big sabihin, natay realization sa Brownian motion. Suppose this is time I, ti, and say this is time ti plus 1. And the property of E2 integral, this is, we evaluate, we actually let that F is an adapted process to a filtration. So meaning dire is that what is revealed so far sa atua is the sigma algebra up to this point here. Okay? If you evaluate the integral dire, okay? So mo tong ano nato no nga ni come up ta sa ito mo tong mga strings properties niya nga ni lead ato because we start dire sa ako aniya, but then also because of this, unsay consequence ani? We have proven that the second, actually, you can always show that the Brownian motion kani siya has second variation. Mora tong gi-prove. So, still, naaragyapon na siya dire. But ang Stratonovich integral, which is the Stratonovich integral, we define it as the integral of f t dwt. Ay, ani. Sa book mo, yata ni gamit. Murag dako nga circle. No? Meaning, ana, that you are going to integrate it in the Stratonovich sense. I'll just write it again. 0 to t of ft dwt. This is the same, only that we evaluate fti, this is still the limit, okay? The limit, but here ft is evaluated at ti plus 1 over 2. The sum w of ti plus 1 minus w of ti. Kani siya. Now, I will not go into the pinaka-details ani gyud because we already done that. We have already done that one in the E2 calculus. Unsay consequence sa di ba ang Brownian motion is nasa quadratic variation. So the sense of quadratic variation is that, di ba, when we have df, this is partial f over partial x dx plus 1/2 partial squared f over partial x squared dx squared. In the E2 integral, we could not set this to 0. And that's because of the fact that the quadratic variation, di ba, sa tong ano nato, the second variation or the quadratic variation, QV, basta the second variation of that Brownian motion is actually equal to, the second variation of the Brownian motion is equal to T. Okay? Which is expected. Mauni siya ang reason kay, di ba, sa kada ano ta dire, sa kada point dira, di ba, we could natay makuha nga normal distribution. Right? Normal distribution. And up to the next step, nakabase ang atong next step, ani nga normal distribution. That is the basic definition. And what is now the standard deviation of this normal distribution? That would be equal to, depende sa time step, di ba? Sa delta t, right? Square root of delta t. So that means that it's expected that the quadratic variation of the W is equal to the variance sa kani. That's why, muna ang reason nga nung dt squared equals dw. Pagkuha nato sa dx, what is the consequence? Diba natay dx, general stochastic process. dx equals mu dt plus sigma dwt. And then when we square this one, you have dx squared equals, this is now mu squared dt squared plus 2 mu sigma mu dwt dt plus sigma squared dw squared. Ay, sorry. Mali day. This is the w squared equals dt. Okay, baliktad. Sakto. dw squared equals dt. Okay? Kani mawala ni siya, no? Because approximately mugamay man yun ni. Manggamay. Pero kani, this now becomes gamay kay gagmay naman kay na. First order man na. First order, gagmay man kay na sila. So multiply. Pero kani man good, ang dw squared is t dt because of this. Okay? So dili ni siya ma-underestimate. Mo ni siya ang key feature sa A2 calculus. Ang sa default nga taman diri rata, di ba? Diri la. That's why when you integrate balik, diri ra imong integrate. You get the Pero pag abot sa ito manggod, apilo ni siya. Okay? Naa ni siya. Mugawas ni siya. Okay? So, mao ni karon ang naay, di ba? This is now equal to sigma squared dt. But then of course, when we take the expectation value of this, ang expectation value, that's just 0. Okay? So, dito sa pikas nga side. Okay? So, mao ni ang nagdula sa tanan. Okay? So, in fact, ang kuha na lang siguro is that ang consequence man go diri sa Stratonovich integral is that this, because this is in the mean, sa tunga nato siya gi-evaluate, right? Pag sa tunga na siya, ang tendency, ang effect ani karon is that mag-cancel out ang effect niya. Naman siya sa tunga. So, on average, mawala ang variations diri. On average. Mugamay man kay na. Okay? So, kumbaga pa sa Stratonovich integral, because of this evaluation in the Stratonovich integral, the effect of the quadratic variation there is still quadratic variation of the Brownian motion. Meaning, ang mean, pag imo di ba, unsa may variation, di ba, ginasum up nimo tong pag-fluctuate. Okay? The mean of this, the Brownian motion still has that property. But then, since we evaluate the integral at the center, that fluctuation, okay, will take on the average. And that means that mag-cancel ang effect niya. Okay? So, ang mag-cancel ang effect niya, that means that we no longer need to evaluate this one. Dire. Sa pagkuha nato dire. So, sa Stratonovich integral, the difference is that when just the ordinary chain rule works. For ito integral, dili. And, okay, so ato na ikuan dire, no? Nanatay na duha na ka-integral tong na so far. The ito, o sa tong ito is the integral ft dw s na atin lang dt 0 to t, tama? Ito integral. This is also equal to the Wiener integral. The Wiener integral, ang Wiener integral is 0 to t of ft dwt. Pero unsay kalahian? Ft is non-stochastic. Okay? For the ito integral, ft is stochastic. Meaning, it is a stochastic process adapted to the filtration there is sa Brownian motion. For a Wiener integral, ft here is deterministic. Ft is an ordinary function of time and this is deterministic, no? or even actually f of x, but deterministic. Walay stochastic, meaning the Wiener integral is integrating a deterministic function with respect to a Brownian motion, Brownian process, dw. Okay? Muna ang Wiener. Now, for the Stratonovich, so how do we take integral, Wiener integral? The same as with ito, only, well, tanggal na itong stochasticity. Walay stochastic differential equation nga gagovern. Ibig sabihin, sa dx equals mu dt plus ano, wala itong dire, no? Okay? Stratonovich. 0 to t of ft dwt. So, to make this clear, the distinction atong ikuha ng integration process. For example, we integrate integral of xt squared minus 2x. Kanilang sa dwt. Okay? So, and this is from 0 to, dito lang sa ano, w dw. The integral of w dw. Diba sa ito integral, o sa ganito we solve this to be w squared of t over 2 minus t. Sakto ba? Ato na lang ikuan be, i-integrate. Kanilang sa wt dw from 0 to t. Usay ko ano natin, we let f to be equal to f prime to be w. So f now would be equal to 1/2 w squared, and f double prime would be equal to 1. Tama? So, meaning, di ba natay df is equal to partial f over partial dww plus 1/2 partial squared f over partial w squared dw squared. So, kani kay dt squared naman eh. Okay? This is dt squared. So, df is just d of 1/2 w squared. And this is f prime is w. So, sa ato pa, this is w dw plus, kani is 1/2 dw squared. Tama? Now, when we integrate this one now, in the E2 sense, makuha na nato ni, right? Ma-isolate nato. So, meaning, the integral of w dw equals, no. Kani, minus. Which is, ang integral ani is just what? 1/2 w squared evaluated from 0 to t. Minus 1/2 the integral of, this is dt, right? 0 to t. So, this is now equal to, well, when you evaluate this, this is now w squared of t over 2 minus w of 0. But we have the properties of Brownian motion. Asa ang w of 0? 0, right? So, wala na to. Minus, okay, this is 1/2 t. T over 2 di. So, this is now the integral. This is the E2 integral of the, kani. Now, how about sa Stratonovich integral? Ang Stratonovich sense of integration is that dili na nato ni siya apilon. Kanira. So, ordinary chain rules apply. So, wala na to. Unsay mahitabo? Stratonovich. Kanira. Right? Kanira. So, sa ato pa, the integral of Stratonovich integral of w dwt equals, equals w squared of t over 2. That's Stratonovich integral. Okay? Kung saan yung minus t over 2 mo, yung correction. And notice, tanawang t over 2, that's half the quadratic variation. Right? Wala, diri, right? That's actually timailhan nga, doon i-evaluate nato siya sa sa tunga, dito sa kuan, sa Riemann sum. Ano ni siya diri? Okay, you ask, what is the wisdom of xt? Example na lang, xt dwt. So here we are assuming that xt is is actually a stochastic process underlying this the underlying stochastic process ang xt ano no plus sigma dwt. This is the stochastic part and this is the deterministic part. Tanggalon nimo ni and you have a smooth curve. So that means na kay duha ka space. Kani nga plot, this is now our plot of Brownian motion. And the Brownian motion could be this. Right? Kana siya. This is a specific realization of Brownian motion. Now, suppose that we are okay. We are on what is now x. We also this is now w of t. We also have an axis of what we call the expectation value of xt. The mean. This is a smooth curve. Posible nga ang mean manggod is this. Kana. This is now e of xt, right? This is a smooth curve. Okay? But what is xt? xt, our process xt is the combination of, this plus some des. Muna ang d of xt, right? Sigma, the spread, plus this. This is a constant. Possibly actually, not necessarily constant na because in finance, Black-Scholes equation, stochastic na. It can be stochastic. Okay? Stochastic volatility. Mo na ano sa stock market, stochastic volatility. Sa ato as a physics katong ginapang solve kay constant siya kadalasan, di ba? So far ano, but in general it may not be constant. Meaning that it itself the volatility is ano. So ibig sabihin, ang kaning xt unsaon na siya pagplot? That is now the incorporation of this dw. Unsa man ang dw is mo na siya ang differences diya ba sa pinaka-specific lang ano, no? Plus ang yang spread. Ayaw na kayo na ninyo visualize, pero that is related to the spread. Plus this one, meaning that this is the mean path, tama? Related. So murag na kay mean and idungag nimo ni, pero dili gid na siya nga idungag ang nimo ni basta-basta. Because napoy spread, unsay effect sa dire. Tama? Ang spread manggod ang mo amplify sa effect ani sa Brownian motion sa dire. Because if your sigma is very small, kani mugamay na siya diri. Wala. But if your sigma is very posible nga na. If your sigma is quite large, okay, it could be that xt now would be this. From specific realized path. This is now xt. That one. O atong ibutang diri ang xt. This is now it could be that this is our xt, no? xt. Which is this plus some, multipliers of this. That's why mo matter ni siya. Kay mo ni ang mo amplify sa effects, ang mo contribute unsa kadako ang effect sa kuan, sa stochasticity. Because the Brownian motion is always kada point normal, standard normal ba na siya kada point. Ang Brownian motion. Okay? So, yeah, mao ni siya. Now, integrating xt dw is, well, I think now you have the idea. The product of this times that, d of that. Diba? Tama? And then you integrate, mao man ni, integral ana. And then from 0 to t, to a realized time. Okay? So, mao na ang kuan ana. Ang wisdom ana. It's like integrate. What is meant by fdx? Ang kanang xt. Ang product lahi na po ng stochastic process. Stochastic process. In fact, this integral is itself is stochastic. This is stochastic. Mo nang ito integral. I of t in that case is that equation, no? 0 to t xt dwt. This is this is stochastic. Pero di ba gi-prove nato ang martingale ni, right? We've proven that this is a martingale process, meaning that It's only anticipating up to the karong kuan. And this is also ang play mean ani, E of IT. E of I of T is 0, right? Ang yahang variance karon mo na tong diri. Sigma square, sigma square dt. Ang variance niya. This is a stochastic integral. It changes kada realization. So wala ni siya, that's why katong ganiha dire is it's path, di ba na siya realized path dependent, tama? So yeah, it based magkada lahi nga realization mo lahi ang value sa integral. So pero suma total 0 siya. Of course, kay naay kumbaga pa naay musaka dito nga path, napoy mo naog dito. Ang what do you mean? Kani? Yeah, it's now in general FTDWT. Na kay function of random variable. That function of random variable could be x could be the displacement and x squared could be some area, something. You may be interested how the area changes. No? Meaning function function of random variable na siya.